To make cocoa bombs, first choose high-quality chocolate. To temper your chocolate, melt it in the microwave. Melt it for 20 seconds, take it out and stir it. 20 more seconds, take it out and stir it until it is completely melted. Then pour a little bit of chocolate into each compartment of your mold. Spread the chocolate out in each compartment of your mold, coating all areas. Place your mold in the freezer for about 30 minutes and then take it out and remove each of the halves of your cocoa bombs from the mold. Have a pan on your stove at a low temperature and take each half of the cocoa bomb and melt the flat side on the pan to make it flat and to warm it up so it's able to stick to the other half of the cocoa bomb. Fill one half of your cocoa bomb with cocoa powder mix and marshmallows and anything else that you'd like to put inside of your cocoa bomb. If your other half hasn't been melted on the top yet, do that, and then place it on top of the filled half of the cocoa bomb. Now they are ready to decorate. These will be decorated with melted white chocolate chips and sprinkles. Now place your cocoa bomb in an appropriately sized cup and pour in either hot water or hot milk and watch what happens. Stir it up and it's ready to drink.